What's up, folks? Nate Lambert here, looking at our Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact wrench. Cat number, can't really read that, but it's 2663-20, 0 to 2000 RPM. These are great for a lot of automotive work. You can see my freaking trigger fell off, but it still works. No big deal. The power on these things is legit. These are heavy duty tools right here. This isn't the fuel model, keep that in mind. But I mean, these things pack a punch. Yeah, good for automotive, any sort of like heavy duty bolts. If you're like into like framing work or any sort of construction like that, like these are good for fastening, anything like that. Yeah, check it out. Peace.